Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. Welcome to Halla Bol series of Indian economy. Now this is going to be a very exciting class today because we are now starting the national income aggregates. Then after this session we are going to conduct the fourth lecture which will be on computation of national income, the various methods that we use to compute or to calculate national income. When we talk about the goods and services produced in a country or in the world, we have two different aggregates. First is the domestic income aggregate. Second is the national income aggregate. We are going to study both national and domestic income aggregates today. What is gross domestic product? What is net domestic product? What is net national product? How we compute them? All that we are going to understand in today's lecture series. Okay, so whatever we are going to make notes on, make sure that you are also simultaneously making your own notes. Do not just rely or depend on the PDFs, right? That way you are spoon feeding yourself. That is very detrimental to your preparation. So we have to be independent. We have to make our own notes. We should not depend on the PDFs or the other notes. Make sure that you make your own notes, and in case you are a working professional, then I will be uploading the PDF on a Telegram channel also. Link is given below in the description box. You can simply download it from there. तो अगर आप वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल हो, मैं आपके लिए सेपरेटली टेलीग्राम चैनल पे पीडीएफ अपलोड कर दूंगी, आप वहां से डाउनलोड कर सकते हो। और जो बच्चे वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स नहीं है, पूरे टाइम अपनी 100% टाइम दे रहे हैं अपनी तैयारी को, तो वो नोट्स बनाने क्लास में साइमल्टेनियसली वो ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा। ठीक है, शुरू करते हैं। So far we have studied domestic territory, we have studied economic territory, we have other different, you can say, pointers. Overall you can say normal residence, factor income, transfer income, final intermediate goods, consumption capital goods, all these topics we have studied so far, right? Today we are going to start with the national income aggregates. Okay, so aggregates of national income, they are divided into two parts. First of all, let us understand what are aggregates. सबसे पहले समझते हैं aggregates क्या होते हैं. Aggregates are used to quantify or to measure the value of goods and services in the terms of money. Money के terms में, money की value में, जो हमारे goods and services हमारी country में, उसकी value को मापा जाता है aggregates के द्वारा. ठीक है, तो in the terms of money we quantify the value of goods and services. That is aggregates. That is why aggregates are used for. And aggregates, they are divided into two parts. We have the domestic concept of aggregates and we have the national concept also. Domestic concepts include gross domestic product at market price, gross domestic product at factor cost, net domestic product at market price, net domestic product at factor cost. Then the national concept, we have gross national product at market price, GNP at factor cost, then net national product at MP and NNP at net national product at factor cost. Okay, these are the domestic and national concept. We are going to understand how to calculate all of these. Okay, now I have told you what is a factor income in the last two classes. I have told you what are net indirect taxes. I have told you what is depreciation. So I am not going to repeat that in this third lecture. If you have missed the first and second lecture, better to go back and watch the first and second lectures, and then you can come back to this third lecture. Okay. Unacademy लेकर आया है the Great Learning Week. It is for the first time ever that a platform has initiated a step like this, and it's going to be a wonderful initiative from Unacademy. Now here from 10th to 16th June, we are going to host a lot of announcements for all of you. We have Maha subscription extension till mains. So what is this Maha subscription extension? Here we have an amazing addition to our ongoing combo offer. Now the subscription is valid till mains. If a learner takes a 1 year or above subscription, then that subscription is going to be valid till your upcoming mains examination. It's now or never. Let's make the best of it. Then we have the offer of saving total 35% off on combo. 35% discount आपको combo offer पे मिलेगा. If you take GS plus optional combination offer, तो आपको 25% तो optional की वजह से मिल जाएगा off, और 10% if you use the code ARPITA10 which is given over here. ये code अगर आप use करते हो तो 10% extra off you will be getting. Then we have 10 optional carnival launch on 16th June. इधर आप देख सकते हो, we we are going to launch 10 optional optionals carnival on 16th June. We have geography optional, anthropology optional, sociology, agriculture, economy, pub ad, Hindi literature, history, PSIR which is in bilingual, and psychology. These optionals are going to get launched on 16th June, and the notes are now in both Hindi and English. So both Hindi medium and English medium students can take the maximum advantage of these notes. So this great learning week, that is 10 to 16 June, is going to be of utmost importance for all of you. So if you are aiming to crack it, then make sure that you take your subscription today. अगर आप aim कर रहे हो कि भाई मुझे तो एक ही attempt में निकालना है, तो आप अभी के अभी इस बढ़िया से great learning week का advantage ले सकते हो. The links are given below in the description box. Make sure that you take your subscription today. So when we start with GDP at market price, सबसे पहले, the first of all we are going to start with GDP at market price. So here is the all final goods and services. Now here the most important point is that these goods and services are produced by both residents और non-residents within the domestic territory of the country. अपने country की जो domestic territory, I've told you what is a domestic territory in lecture 1. So the goods and services produced in the domestic territory of our country by the residents or even by non-residents. So the final value of those goods and services will be taken into account within a period of 1 year. That is GDP at market price. उसको हम बोलेंगे GDP at market price. Okay. Now in GDP, we need to understand the meaning of the terms. G means gross. Gross means no provision has been made for depreciation. Depreciation is included. I told you what is depreciation, the wear and tear of the machinery or the equipment, right? तो depreciation का जो value है ना, समय के साथ जो मशीन की जो cost है वो घटती चली जाती है, जो उसका मूल्य है वो घटता चला जाता है, value घटती चली जाती है, उसका अलग सा provision नहीं बनाया है, depreciation को include किया है, ठीक है, जो value घट रही है उसको भी include किया है, तो वो gross हो गया. gross का मतलब अलग से हमने depreciation का कोई provision बनाया ही नहीं है. Domestic means goods and services produced by all the units which are located in the domestic territory of the country by both residents and non-residents. And product means only final goods and services. Intermediate goods and services will not be included. Final goods and services will be included. If you include separately the intermediate value, then it will amount to double calculation. That is wrong. Okay. Then market price. What is market price? It includes amount of indirect taxes also. जो आपने goods and services में indirect tax GST वगैरह पे किया है ना, वो भी ऐड करेंगे. But it will exclude subsidies. Government ने जो relief हमें दिया है उसको exclude करेंगे. ठीक है? We will exclude the subsidies which we had received, but we will include the amount of indirect taxes. So here indirect taxes include करो, subsidies को निकालो तो क्या मिलता है? Net indirect tax मिलता है ना? So that market price means net indirect tax is included. So what will be the formula? GDP at MP equals net indirect tax. NIT means net indirect tax plus depreciation. Okay. Now from this formula we can calculate the other aggregates also. GDP at factor cost. Factor cost में हम net indirect tax को हटा देते हैं GDP at MP से. ठीक है, फैक्टर कॉस्ट ना, उसमें इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स कहां से जाएगा? फैक्टर कॉस्ट क्या था? जो फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन का खर्चा लगता है. आई हैव एक्सप्लेन टू यू व्हाट इज फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, राइट, इन द प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स. सो फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन एक्सपेंसेस आर excluded. Net indirect tax will be excluded. GDP at FC will be GDP at MP minus NIT. Okay. Now coming on towards the next formula, NDP at market price, net domestic product. NDP at market price is GDP at market price minus depreciation. First we excluded NIT, we got GDP at FC. Then we excluded depreciation, we got NDP at MP. Okay, point clear? So over here, NDP at FC, that is net domestic product at factor cost, will be GDP at MP minus NIT and minus depreciation. जब हम दोनों को ही हटा देते हैं GDP at MP में से, तो हमें मिलता है net domestic product at factor cost. And net domestic product at factor cost is also known as domestic income or domestic factor income. This is very important for prelims. Domestic income किसको बोलते हैं? NDP at factor cost को बोलते हैं. ठीक है? So here this chart is going to help you. Make sure that you take a print of this chart or you create this chart in your register and revise it daily. GDP at MP minus net indirect tax is GDP at factor cost. Minus depreciation is net domestic product at factor cost. Because GDP at MP से हम NIT और depreciation दोनों को निकाल रहे हैं ना, तो तो हमें क्या मिल रहा है? NDP at factor cost. We are excluding both NIT and depreciation from GDP at MP. So we are directly getting NDP at factor cost. If we add back NIT, we get NDP at market price. If we add back depreciation, we get GDP at market price. Okay? क्योंकि GDP at market price has both depreciation and NIT. Okay, point clear? So this is a very simple chart that you can revise and memorize daily. Okay? Before we move forward, here's a small announcement. Unacademy is launching UCSC, that is Unacademy Civil Services Championship. It is India's largest scholarship test created by top educators of India for your upcoming prelims 2021. It's going to take place on 13th June, that is day after tomorrow, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. And the best thing is it is free of cost. You can attempt the test live and you stand a chance to win scholarships and prizes worth rupees 3 crores. And top 50 rankers are going to get guided by best CSE mentors like Abhishek Sarav sir, Shatabdi ma'am, Durga Shakti Nagpal ma'am, Rakesh Verma sir, etc. All these people have themselves cleared this exam and they are in the position of bureaucracy and they are administering their constituencies very well. So here you have a chance to be mentored by all of these people. So do attempt this UCSC. I've given you the link in the description box below the video. Okay. Coming on to the national income aggregate. So far we have studied the domestic income aggregates. Now we will study the national income aggregates. Now in the national income aggregate we have the gross national product at MP first. डोमेस्टिक इनकम में जीडीपी पहले था, नेशनल इनकम में जीएनपी पहले आएगा. जीएनपी एट मार्केट प्राइस. What is GNP? It is value of final goods and services produced by normal residents, not the non-residents. Normal residents of a country during period of 1 year. In GDP, we had both residents and non-residents. The goods and services were produced by both residents and non-residents. But in GNP, it's only the normal residents who are producing these final goods and services in period of 1 year. So GNP at market price equals GDP at market price. I've told you how to calculate GDP at market price. We add NIT plus depreciation. So GDP at market price plus net factor income from abroad. That will be equal, and I've told you what is net factor income from abroad. In the previous lecture we studied this now. What is net factor income from abroad? It is difference between factor income received from rest of the world and factor income paid to rest of the world. Okay, तो factor income received में क्या हो जाता है? Wages, salaries. Pay में क्या हो जाता है आपका? जो आप normal residents को pay करते हो factor services के लिए, ठीक है? तो उसको अगर हम minus करें तो we get net factor income from abroad. Okay, please attend lecture number 2. We have discussed this in detail. Okay, so over here you will see, यहाँ पर आप देखोगे GNP at market price equals GDP at market price, that is net indirect tax plus depreciation plus net factor income from abroad. But here over here, if the net factor income from abroad is positive, then GNP at market price will be more than GDP at market price. This is important fact for prelims. अगर नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड पॉजिटिव है, नेगेटिव में नहीं है, तो जीएनपी एट मार्केट प्राइस ज्यादा होगा जीडीपी एट मार्केट प्राइस से. बट इफ नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड इज नेगेटिव, यही नेगेटिव में है, तो ऑब्वियसली इट इज वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट जीएनपी एट मार्केट प्राइस विल बी लेस देन जीडीपी एट मार्केट प्राइस. Okay, this basic point you will understand if you remember this formula. Now coming towards GNP, gross national product at factor cost. It is GNP at market price over here minus net indirect tax. इसमें से जो आपने ये निकाला GNP मार्केट प्राइस, इसमें से नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स रिमूव कर दो तो आपको मिलेगा GNP एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट. हमेशा याद रखना, फैक्टर कॉस्ट निकालने के लिए NIT माइनस करना पड़ेगा. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, टू अप्रोच द फैक्टर कॉस्ट वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स. Okay, now coming on towards the net national product at market price. Here I've told you, like in the earlier lecture, we have to deduct depreciation. market price से net national product अगर आपको निकालना है तो GNP at MP में से depreciation में हटा दो. ठीक है, GNP at MP we have already calculated. You remove depreciation, you will get NNP at market price. Then the net national product at factor cost. For this to be achieved, we have to deduct both net indirect tax and depreciation from GNP at market price. GNP at market price में से net indirect tax, depreciation दोनों हटा दो तो NNP at factor cost आ जाएगा. And NNP at factor cost is also known as national income. This is important for prelims. Okay, they can give you options like GNP at factor cost, right? That is wrong. It is net national product, NNP at factor cost, which is known as national income. Okay, again I've created a chart for easy understanding. Over here you can see. So let us differentiate between domestic income and national income. Domestic income, as I've told you, it's related to domestic territory. So it's a territorial concept. But national income is a worldwide concept. It's a national concept. Then domestic income, it includes value of final goods and services produced within domestic territory of a country by both NRI and residents. But in national income, we include only normal residents. And in domestic income, net factor income from abroad is not included. But in national income, it is included. As we have seen over here, it is added. Okay. So this is the basic difference between both. So this was the lecture number 3 in our Halla Bol series of Indian economy, the national and domestic aggregates. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. I hope you understood it well. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.